Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are all fine and stay blessed and hope that you are learning your lesson timely. Okay, let's get started over today's lesson. It is all about the revision of week number 1. Planner number from 1 to 6. Okay students, just listen. Parts of speech, activity of parts of speech and mind map. You have to do it by yourself. As I have told you all the points how you have to make the mind map and spider web of my hobby, and then also do practice of village life on your rough notebook. Now come to the concept clearance or and the learning of the all definitions, page number 28, from the page number 28. It is revision beta as you have done it in your class 4, so it is really easy for you. Just give proper 5 to 10 minutes. It will be really helpful and easy for you if you will uh, listen and learn it attentively. Okay, number 1. Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of person, place, animal or ideas like this. Okay, these are the things and their names can be the noun. Okay, verb. It describes an action or state of being. Okay, an action, you know very well our work that without any verb a sentence cannot be completed at all. Okay, these are all the doing verbs. Okay, now number 3, adjective. It is used to describe a noun. Okay, जैसे कि ये noun के बारे में बताते हैं, जैसे tall tree and short boy, skinny dog, like this, and these are all the types of adjectives. Okay, number 4, adverbs. Adverb tells more about a verb, adjective on another adverb. It answers these questions: when, where, how much and why. Okay, just you have to look all these type of things. When question will raise when, where, how, the words like this: how the thing, lazily, walk lazily, really, very, these are slowly, these are all the kind of adverbs. Okay, pronoun. It is used in the place of noun. These are all the pronoun. Example of pronouns: preposition. It shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other words in a sentence. Okay, and also in easy words you can say that it tells the position of the noun and other things. Okay, conjunction. It is used to join words, sentences together. Okay, conjunctions, you know very well, it works like a pin. As a pin or glue, we just use it to join two things or to patch up the two things, same as conjunction words and, but, so, or, because. All the conjunctions are used as a pin to patch the some words or some parts of sentences. Interjection. It is a word or a set of sound which expresses strong feelings. Okay, and you know very well strong feelings: the feeling of happiness, the feeling of sorrow, the feeling of wandering. As you are too much surprised and you say, oh, it is very beautiful, or an ouch, oh, hello, okay. So these are all the feelings of extreme feelings, so you have to use the sign of interjection. Okay, this is the paragraph, and you have to find out all the parts of speech from here, and you have to write these words in the boxes given here with the name of noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, conjunction, preposition, adverb. Okay, so you have to do the practice of this paragraph, and you may do the practice of unseen paragraph from you can search from the net and do the practice of it on your rough notebook. Okay, a noun is the name of a person, place, of thing, and there is a kind of noun. Okay, further 5 kinds of noun. So let's see what are the further 5 kinds of noun. Number 1, a common noun. A common noun is the name of a common person, place or thing, like cow, water. It is really common. Okay, boy, girl. Okay, not specific. All the group of boys, all the group of girls are called like common noun. For number 2, proper noun. A proper noun is the name of particular person, particular place or particular thing, like Allah, Pakistan, because it is the name of a specific thing. Allah is only one, alhamdulillah, we believe in, and the Pakistan is only one country, and inshallah ta'ala it will be. Okay, Collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group or a collection of person, animal or thing that is regarded as a singular unit. जैसे herd and army. Okay, we are talking about here herd and army, but when we will enter in this word, we will see a crowd of the animal or any other thing. Army, the crowd of persons. Okay, a group of persons. So it is all called one name for the group, so it is called the collective noun. Number 4, material noun. Material noun denotes the matter of substance or which things are made. Okay, ये जो material है, it always talks about just like marble, just like wood, just like iron or these type of things. Okay, and the things that you made from some other things like wood, like iron, like gold, silver, these type of things. Number 5, abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of an idea, a quality or a state, like humble or beauty. These are the words, they are not seen. You cannot see the humble, the kindness of the some person, the care of the some person, but you can feel only. So this is called the abstract noun, that we cannot see but we can feel. Okay, beta, this is the page about the practice of all kind of proper, collective, abstract and material noun. You have to read this page and you have to solve it out on your rough notebook. Stay blessed and learn it timely. It will help you to solve your papers very well. Stay blessed.